Hi there, welcome to the sale of this Mitsubishi L200. This is a 2017, so it's a Euro 6 ULEZ compliant vehicle, city centre clean air zone compliant. It's 180 brake horsepower, it's got an automatic gearbox, has a reverse camera, fitted tow bar, and 3,000, capable of towing 3,100 kilograms. And let me take you around and show you it. It's a Warrior's really nice spec, has the leather upholstery in there as well, digital climate control. So it comes with a colour-coded hardtop canopy with the privacy glass, side sliding glass units. Has a spoiler up there, some roof bars on that as well. No tow bar on this vehicle, I apologise. Reverse camera though, tow bars can be fitted, they're not difficult. And they're not expensive to fit. So there's a couple of clamps holding that hardtop on either side. See the side sliding glass units to open so you can get some ventilation there. And there's a bulk one against the bulkhead as well, so you can open that up and get some air into the back there. It's an interior light and it's all lined to keep the condensation down. Mitsubishi body liner in there as well. Side steps on there, the alloy wheels. Warrior specs, nice specification truck. The automatic gearbox it makes it a nice truck to drive. So 4-door electric windows, electric mirrors, lane departure warning. You can deactivate that, press that once and you can deactivate it, but it's just a really small symbol of a vehicle just to show you when you're on the wrong side of the road. Electric driver's seat, heated front seats, digital climate control, auxiliary plug-in down there. So the automatic, but you can pull the shift over to the gear shift out there over to one side and drive it up and down through the gears like a manual if you were towing, or you just like the idea of driving it like a manual. There's paddles behind the steering wheel, down the minus and the plus there, so you can go up through the gears on here and down through the gears there. Cruise control on this truck, radio controls, Bluetooth telephone, just like a nice SUV inside. And in the back, Isofix seating in the back. This toggle here, come forward, there's a little void behind the seat there. Locking wheel nuts over there, stalk, wheel brace and a jack there as well. And you can chuck some items down behind the back of that seat. So running in two-wheel drive all the time. You can run it in 4 high and then 4 high lock and low lock as well, low ratio like a crawler gear, but it's all there, very easy to use. Just stop, put it in. And Mitsubishi, they say you can do it on the move as well, but I like to stop. So everything coming alive, turn this down, turn that off. See the digital climate control there. So all the lights come on, all the lights go off. LDW is just telling you it's ready to do lane departure warning. You can turn that off like I just have. So out the back, it just gives you the guides out the back, and if you had a tow bar on there, you can reverse perfectly up to your trailer every time for parking. Get good visibility out of the back there. That unit's sat nav on this unit. Digital radio. You've got lights on. Can't see anything. Yeah, there we go. $48,307 to be precise. So this Mitsubishi is available here at Cross Country 4x4. We're in Market Lavington Village near Devizes in Wiltshire. You're more than welcome to come out and view this truck. We can go and drive it. If you have a part exchange, we will consider a part exchange. If you bring it, we can get a price evaluation on that vehicle for you. We can give quotes for finance if that helps, and we can quote have the vehicle delivered to you if that helps as well. But we prefer everybody to come and see the vehicles in person if you possibly can. It's better to see what you're buying, touch it, feel it, smell it, drive it, see exactly what it is. But yeah, this is a nice pickup truck. It's got good miles on it. It's been serviced, and it'll have a long MOT on it, so I can't remember exactly the date on the MOT, but it'll be a long MOT. So yeah, thank you very much for looking, and please do give us a call on 01380 818 311, or email us sales@crosscountry4x4.co.uk.